Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we discuss about how to earn money with our Sadapay Goldenn Ticket. So let's start the video. First of all, you click on your browser. When you click your browser, this page will be opened. You just click in the search bar and search how to earn money with Sadapay Goldenn Ticket. When you search, the website page will be opened. You just scroll down and click in this website how to earn money from Golden Ticket Origin Stories. The Golden Ticket is the good old days. We are talking about that, and you have to portray dog, flip up the phone areas. There are the famous story, a story of boy and who was lived in the charges forever all because of your Golden Ticket. You know the one and unsuspecting for your Charlie finds the Golden Ticket wrapped into your chocolate here. Here to meet the ideal while you have to cooking in the guests you have to chocolate factory. Anyone has to belong for the Charlie you have to the instant of factory. It is about the catalyst for your Golden Ticket and everything that you represent after a Charlie and the chocolate factory. Copycat and the Golden Ticket pop up for you all over the world and each offering the different prices, contract ticket, trips and the night land discount, the vouchers and the like. Golden tickets were not at the synonym with the Charlie of chocolate anymore. But you have to try with the possibilities with the really we have to abundance. Golden tickets opportunity, see what you mean. Why you have to Sadapay handling for your out of tickets? We have been watching to your unboxing videos and reading all of your reviews. If you feel safe to say you're enjoying and the Sadapay accounts, we are liquidately be happen for you happy and you will be noticed in you wish and begin to the rapidly after your social media throughout some of you want to your friends experience together. We got it and your friends you have to FOMO and the from of ideal especially when you have to want your bestie for benefit from of your same trick and you have to do. Real one you have to want to try with your friends and try Pakistan's money management plans to style. So where are the pulling belly bonga and you have to send a small you have to really real golden ticket into your world. Why does a golden ticket get game and how does it work? Sure, you have to want a personalized tour for your big photo and factory of you have to make up. But if you have to care about your being and control for your money, our golden ticket gives us you something pretty. Existing, you can be skip and sign up a vessel in entry. You have to vessels in there are many people silently and imitated by said note. If you want to know about the sale and have not, you have to read the words next there and heading. That's way it is the work and if you have to find a ticket, it's come with a special code. You enter that is code into your mode, tab of our application and it is a sudden you will be have to jump in with you and a half of million people. Give us some time of verifying your account and you are experience of your future and money. Where do I find one? We now you probably have a lot of questions like where do I from find a ticket? You will be just have a wait and see. For now we have to spelling for you advantages and activities users so also check your without your friend who are love using Sadapay. They might be have to able to your out and who knows and more that you also have to share us I love and can be a lead for your golden surprise and a physical ticket themselves but are not about for your set and watch part of your ecosystem. Yet but it please keep your eyes and let it for the social and more where are how to now you can be find the golden ticket for yourself or find your friends. There are rules of this before you sign up for your ticket and existing new about for your pool. And we want to issue some guidelines for your rules and some people are already got golden tickets, which is our opinion is pretty awesome. But is the awesome and handing for your code to branch of your people coming them out. Once code is valid one person and use only the one time only. Our little bird also have to use this golden ticket and have to going for sale. For the love of God, please just let's do not this was for fun. It is a sponsored make up to application and accessible for couples of lucky. Charges the golden ticket. We all already have to try the charges in minimal amount for your services anyway. If you find your selling tax, you have to properly going to and read your content. None of these fans you want. We hope to address it and always in your favor and you have to somehow some days and some ways you have to magically find yourself in the charge issues when you have to hold the ticket in your hand and your life significantly enhanced. Related this post, the Bank of Punjab and the Sadapay in the partnership to fill these spaces in Pakistan from fan followers, and the reboot of will explain.